Hello. Thanks for dropping in. I always speak of magic erasers and the magic that they do. Well, here I have one, and I have this 1541-2 that's looking pretty ugly, but it works. So I'm just going to take and rub across the drive. I don't know if you can see, but there's definitely basically the slime of ages. Oh, look at that on the top. But a magic eraser, especially, there's a really ugly stain up in this corner. You know what I'm going to try and do here? Like there's an ugly mark, but it comes off. I'm going to just try and do, I've been doing more than just the half, but I'm going to try and just stick to one side of the top here. And really, it doesn't take a whole lot of vigorous force to do this. It's just, oh, look at that. Slime everywhere. So I'm just using my thumb and running it across dirt, slime. But if we look from the top, you can see that line down the middle of where it's been treated and where it's not been treated. And I think there's a little yellowing going on this, but nothing terrible. It's just, you know what, it's just dirty. It's been sitting in somebody's room for years and years. I don't think they were a smoker, but just the filth of time. Anyway, I'm going to continue, and then I'll show you another shot of this fine 1541-2.